This is the Nissan Leaf, the first generation. And if you can't make your vehicle go into drive, so you do this and nothing happens, the problem is very, very likely with the 12-volt battery. The 12-volt battery is located under the hood. Here it is. It's quite small originally, and it may degrade pretty fast. So after 3 or 4 years of driving, you may need to replace this battery. Now, in this vehicle, it's not in a very good condition. It has some corrosion here. Also, you may need to check if the battery clamps are okay. Here, this clamp is not very good. You know, it's loose, so I need to tighten it. And this clamp has some corrosion. I need to clean it. So this is the first thing you should check. And also, if the battery is dead, if it doesn't take any charge, you should replace the battery, and then probably everything will be good with this vehicle. Or alternatively, you have some electrical fault that doesn't allow your car to go into drive and move. So this should be investigated with the OBD2 scanner. Here is the OBD2 port in this car, in this area, and you can read the codes and understand what's happening with your vehicle. Other than that, it's impossible to say what's wrong with this car. And if it's not a 12-volt battery, which is the most common reason why you can't go into drive.